Okay, so this is a construction update for Aura for October, the end of October. The RGS is on our left, and here is Aura. So for those of you that have bought the townhouses, construction is in progress. It's looking exciting. They're up to the first floor for the townhouses. We're not talking the Sky Villas here, we're talking the actual townhouses. So that's 2 and 3. The Sky Villas were coming up ahead. So just to give you an idea, so Carrefour and RGS are on our left, we're at the roundabout. So this will eventually open into Aura. And now you can see up above, these ones are much more advanced, these properties, and these are the Sky Villas. So like the Sky Villas are really coming on. Their handover is next summer, 2024. That's looking really good. You've got Sky Villas straight ahead of us, and then ELAN to the left. So here's all the Sky Villas, and then yeah, all twin villas here now. So it's really starting to come on. See more of the twin villas there, because the twin villas, how they're different from the townhouses. Townhouses are ground plus 1, and you have the 3 and the 4 bedrooms. The cheapest as of the end of October, remember these prices change by the day, is now at 2.85 million. Can you believe? I mean, these 3-bedroom townhouses launched at 1.3 million. So owners have done extremely well on these properties. And the twin villas, they started at 3.3 and they're now at least 4.4. And then over there at the end of the roundabout, you can see the Harmony. So that is the Aura update for you.